Best ways to increase home value. Now let's talk about how to enhance your home's curb appeal. Here are some front door curb appeal ideas and other tips to get you started. Number 1, fresh paint and repair. One of the simplest yet most impactful changes you can make is updating your front door with a fresh coat of paint. Choose a color that complements the overall exterior of your home and adds a touch of personality. For example, a bold red or a classic navy can really make your door pop. I recently helped a client refresh their front door with a vibrant teal, and it completely transformed the look of their home. Don't forget to address any peeling paint, stains on the porch, or minor repairs around the door frame. These small fixes can make a huge difference in how polished your home looks. Number 2, landscaping. Investing in your garden can yield impressive returns. Start by trimming overgrown shrubs, mowing and edging the lawn, and anything that will draw you the buyers in. If you're like me and love gardening, think of it as a way to showcase your home's potential. I remember when I first moved into my house, I spent the weekend planting some bright geraniums, and it made such a big difference in the curb appeal. The effort was definitely worth it. A well-maintained garden not only looks attractive, but also signals to buyers that the home has been well cared for. Number 3, lighting. Good lighting can make your home feel warm and inviting. Updating your outdoor lighting fixtures to enhance your home's charm. Consider adding solar-powered lights along the walkway or stylish lanterns by the front door. Not only does this improve visibility, it also creates cozy ambiance that makes your home feel more welcoming. When I updated the lighting in my front yard, I chose some charming lanterns that really highlighted the front porch. It makes evening viewings more appealing. Number 4, decor. Sprucing up your front door can add a big difference by adding a doormat or a seasonal wreath, or even some new house numbers with a touch of personality. Keep it stylish and simple, something that complements your home's look without overwhelming it. I once helped a client choose a seasonal wreath for their door, and it became a talking point during open houses. Small details like these can really stand out. Number 5, clean and declutter. This sets a positive note for what's inside. Power wash the driveway, windows, and remove any clutter from the yard. That not only enhances the home appearance, it also shows that the home is well maintained and makes the buyer feel more comfortable and positive about the overall condition of the home. I've seen firsthand how power washing driveways can make a home look brand new. It's a simple update that makes significant impact. How to sell your home for more. Enhancing curb appeal is one of the best ways to increase your home's value. Here's why. First impressions matter. Buyers often make decisions within minutes of arriving at a property. An attractive exterior can lead to a favorable impression, increasing your chances of a quicker sale and possibly a higher offer. Competitive edge. In a competitive market, homes with great curb appeal stand out. Investing in these improvements can set your property apart from others. Emotional connection. A well-presented home helps potential buyers imagine their future in the space, making them more likely to place a higher value on the property. Incorporating these tips will help ensure that your home is not just ready, but it shines when it hits the market. Remember, curb appeal when selling your home is about making a strong first impression that resonates with buyers and encourages them to make an offer. Here's your bonus tip. Create a cozy outdoor space. Adding to your cozy outdoor space can make a big difference. Think about setting up a small seating area or a welcoming bench on your porch. Add some comfy cushions or a throw blanket to make it look inviting. I recently worked with a client who added a charming bistro set, staged with coffee cups, and some vibrant cushions to their front porch. The result was fantastic. Potential buyers loved the idea of sipping coffee on a cozy, well-styled porch, and it made their home feel more inviting and lived in. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about curb appeal to make your home irresistible to buyers. If you're ready to make your property stand out, give me a call. I'd be delighted to help you showcase your home's best features and achieve the sale you're aiming for. And remember, if you're considering selling your home or just want to enhance its market value, I offer a free home evaluation. With detailed analysis and insights, I can help you understand your home's worth in today's market, completely free of charge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you want to know more about preparing your home for sale, I have additional videos on enhancing home value and staging tips. Just click on the box or the screen to watch. This is Bambi Elstrom with eXp Realty and Charleston Coastal Living. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.